The fast development of technology can be separated from societies, especially teenagers, who are vulnerable. Its development is a big chance for society to innovate, but it can be denied that it also creates negative impacts to teenagers. Also, this phenomenon becomes an important homework, especially for parents to supervise their children's community. Teenagers are the future generation of the nation who will fight to achieve the nation's dreams to produce an educated, full of values generation.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Miss, I would like to ask you some questions
Yes, please. What is your question?
about the effects of mobile phones to teenagers.
Yeah.
Okay. First, what are the negative effects of mobile phones to 21st century teenagers?
According to me, there are some negative effects for 21st teenagers when they use mobile phones. First, if they use mobile phones, automatically they spend much time. They spend longer time to use it. Almost they forget to study, even to eat. They really enjoy to use mobile phone. Why? Because mobile phone provides many interesting programs such as Facebook, Twitter, what else? I forgot. Maybe games, yeah.
Yeah.
Also games, yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Next.
Question number 2. How do they become so addictive to their mobile phones?
Yeah. As I told you before, because using mobile phone is a very interesting activities.
Yeah.
Yeah, especially when we find the new program that is very interesting program. Yeah, we can find many source. We can find many kinds of games, or we can communication using many programs. It depends on the kind of mobile phone brand. But mostly mobile phones now very sophisticated. Yeah, very sophisticated. That's why it's very interesting to find the new or the newest program. Every year they change, and then there are many competitors between the brand of mobile phones.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay?
Yeah.
So what's the next question?
Yeah. And the last, what do you think we can do to reduce their addiction to mobile phones?
First, we have to control them. Yeah, by giving very good control to every teenagers, especially from the parents. Is it possible to give them the sophisticated mobile phone, but we have to control when they use it. We have to give activities, and then we have to divide the time when they can use their time to use mobile, and then when they use their time for study or to do the good things. Yeah. Okay. And then the parents must give understanding for the children or for the teenagers that they have to know what is the purpose using mobile phone. Yeah, the most important, they have to use it only for communication, not the others. If it is not useful, so it's better don't use it. Okay, that's to prevent or to avoid being addictive for teenager to use mobile phone. Okay, yeah, and the second one, the control must be also from the school.
Yeah.
State the good regulation or the strict regulation for the student. Not always use mobile phone, especially while they are studying. They have to put the handphone when they are studying, maybe in the locker or maybe in the bag. And of course, the school must give punishment for the student who use the mobile phone while they are studying.
Yeah. That's
Okay,
right, yeah.
that's it for me, I think.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
You're welcome.
The fast development of cell phones technology nowadays creates both positive and negative impacts to its users, especially teenagers. Positive impacts are: first, flexibilities in communications; second, increasing our knowledge about the development of technology; third, expanding friendship; And then negative impacts are first, there are so much time wasted if the usage of the phone is not done correctly. For example, students like it more to play handphones than to do other beneficial things such as studying, exercising, or even making artworks. Second, the existence of handphones can also create criminality among teenagers. People will justify anyways so they can have one because of social jealousy between teenagers. Third, there are many handphones that have facilities like MP3, camera, web, Bluetooth, and radio. The existence of these facilities will allow teenagers to save or keep porn pictures or videos. And finally, fourth, from health angle, handphones can give bad impacts, such as radiation, which is bad for the health of our eyes and ears.
The solutions are first, as an educated person, we must devise our time wisely. Besides that, we also have to fill our free time with beneficial things such as studying, exercising, and helping others. It will be good if teenagers have their own schedule. Second, it will be better for us to avoid jealousy with our friends so there will be no feel of social enviness between us as teenagers. We have to be grateful of the things given to us. Third, as a teenager who is religious, we must be able to differentiate between bad and good. It's better to ally inappropriate pictures or files from our handphones. Fourth, because of the radiation from handphones have bad impacts to our eyes and ears health, then make your best effort to not play with your handphones so often. Summary: the development of technology globalization is not only affecting the people in the cities, but also the people in the village. It gives a huge impact to the people, whether in the cities or village, especially to the teenagers who always want to try new things. There are two impacts, which is positive or making information transfer easier and creating innovative generation, and negative, damaging the social life of teenagers. The wrong usage of handphones can move our dignity aside as a human being with good norms and values. Advice for all people, especially teenagers: let's filter out slave to foreign cultures and bad environments so we can create a nation that is smart and cultural.